Good morning, this is Josh from Gunworks. I just wanted to come at you with a quick public service announcement. Clean your guns. Clean your guns. And by that, I don't mean just field strip them and give them a brushing. I mean, that's real good maintenance. But if you've got one that has been in the gun cabinet for a long time, like you inherited it from someone, take it all the way apart and give it a good deep clean, okay? If you're not comfortable with that, then do the best you can. And if it's still dirty, take it to a gunsmith, take it to someone you trust and have them take care of it. I'm gonna show you a reason why. This is a neat 22 semi-auto that a good friend of mine inherited from his grandfather, and by no fault of his own, because he just didn't know, he noticed that the gun, it just wouldn't run anymore. You literally couldn't operate the bolt, and I want to show you why. So as we come down here, so this is the receiver and the bolt. I'm going to get in close to the bolt, and the bolt has just got all kinds of corrosion on it. It's stainless, but the rust that started accumulating in the receiver kind of locked the bolt in place, and I had to squirt a bunch of this stuff called Croil on it. And you can see the underside of the action, and you see there's kind of a cruddy film there. That's rust, okay? And I've covered it in 3-in-1 oil. I'm looking at the chamber here. It's pretty gacked up, okay? And this is just from years of use without running it. And there's even some spots, like this is a sight. There's rust right there at a perfect circle where the bushing for the tightening screw was. Now, if you look at the sight, it looks great. I mean, the outside of the weapon, like if I look at the barrel, it's beautiful. I mean, the bluing's in great shape. You can still see the writing and the etching is still in real good shape, which, by the way, this is a O.E. Mossbeg & Son, model 152. Okay. Once I get this put back together, I'll do a little video about it. It's a neat 22 rifle. So, but anyway, like I said, just quick little public service announcement. Clean your guns. If you want them to operate, you want them to work, you want them to have a long, happy life, clean your guns, okay? So, hope this has been helpful. I'll talk to you later.